Let's talk about the power of compounding your wealth for a moment. I would argue that most people have a pretty good grasp of what compounding can do to your wealth building journey over the long term. Say, for example, you start with 10,000 US dollars today, you then contribute another $1,000 each month, do it for 30 years, compound your wealth at a rate of return of 10%. Well, what do you end up with? Maybe pause the video for a moment, take a guess, write in the comments, and I'll reveal the result right now on screen. However, I would argue what most people fail to grasp is what a difference a slight improvement of your annual return can do to your overall wealth building process. Take someone who underperforms the S&P by 2%, for example, versus someone who outperforms it by 2%. Well, after 30 years, the outperformer will have accumulated capital that is 3 times larger than the one underperforming the market. And just to wrap up this discussion, let me also show you this chart here, which compares the performance of Pepsi to the performance of Coca-Cola, so the underlying stock of both businesses. And as you can see, one of the stocks outperformed the other by just 1.5% percentage points compounded annually. But as you can see, over the long term, compounded, that excess return, that 1.5% excess return makes a dramatic difference.